So I've got about 20 miles on that Can-Am, and it's about as broken as I can get it, and I wanted to put it deep. So stuck it in the pond to see how waterproof the snorkels are. Bottom line up front, it worked great. No leaks whatsoever in the belt. Maybe a couple drops in the airbox, but not bad considering how high the airbox is mounted. These are the 33-inch Aztecs. I got some great footage of those. I'll probably post that next week. I have to kind of trickle these videos out for the YouTube algorithm. Sorry, guys. If you want to see the footage now, though, it's up on the Patreon page. I'll make it public on YouTube next week. And you can see how this thing turns 33-inch Aztecs all stock. Exhaust runs well underwater, I can tell you that much.
What else can you tell me?
Your phone's waterproof, right?
No, it's not. Is it? You're joking, right? No.
Idles well underwater. The exhaust is way underneath there. Just stand up there, I'll wheel it all the way out.
Fine.
Go that way. I don't want to run you over.
You're not. Open the box and see if it's wet in there.
Let's check the drains.
The drains?
Come around this side.
Okay.
Couldn't be easier to take this plastic off. You just hit the switch. Boom.
Oh my
A little
God.
easier to take the seat off first, but you do it either way. All right.
Even a female could do that.
Even a female. So first thing you look at, these vent lines, they're clear, right? So you can tell if there's water in. That looks nice and dry.
Oh, let's get close up in there.
And then you got a big plug down here, which you need a flat blade to take out, or a knife. Oh, that's bone dry.
Wow.
All right, Can-Am, this is the first Can-Am I've purchased where the belt was properly sealed from the factory. So A+ there.
Bravo.
Let's see if we can check the airbox drain.
You're in my footage.
A little bit more of a pain in the ass.
I can kind of see it.
I'll take it out and show you. So I did a couple little drops in the airbox, nice clean water. That could have splashed in earlier, so that's something to keep an eye on, but I'm not real concerned about that. The airbox is all the way up here, and that barely went underwater.
But
So it looks pretty good.
What about the phones?
The phones are fine.
Oh, you were just messing with me.
Yeah, that didn't go under. I stopped with the water like right here.
You don't want to test that theory today? Well, it'd have to be airtight because of the USB port, right?
I guarantee I could get water in it. So here,
Oh.
let me give you the phones.
Oh, you're going to do it
And
now?
I'll test that theory.
Okay.
Deepest yet. Here, throw me the camera.
You want me to throw it to you?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, there's the deepest yet. Idling, 1,350 RPMs. Exhaust way underwater. That's a good. So let's go ahead and go a little deeper, but I want to be able to watch my snorkels when I do it. So I'm going to take the cowl and pop it to the side like this, so I can see how deep I am. I'm a professional, you know. All right, now in reverse. So you see the airbox lid isn't even under yet, which is interesting. All right, so the cell phone box is totally underwater. Airbox lid is just barely underwater. Snorkels are about a foot out. Let's go a little deeper. All right, so the airbox is totally underwater all the way around. idling, very happy, so that's good. Let's go ahead and put the cowl back on. I always like to work on my machines underwater, you know. Get these little guys lined up, a little tap tap, love tap. Alright, so cowl's back installed. It's got a low range. Can't even see the shifter. See if we can drive out of here. Je soy professional. Alright, let's check those drains again and see if we got anything additional in them. Oh, the seat got really heavy, like a Honda almost. I was hoping the seat would be a little more water resistant. No, all the foam they use just absorbs water like crazy. Alright, so moment of truth.
Why don't we weather guard it?
Belt drain, 100% bone dry. That is outstanding. Bravo Can-Am. And let's check the gearbox drain. 3 drops of water with the lid completely under. I know that lid gasket isn't perfect, but it is certainly good enough. So we're going to leave that alone because this one actually has a nice big air box where it can hold water. That wasn't even to fill the hose up. So this thing gets the Mud Puppy Snorkel seal of approval from the factory as is. The only thing I've done was improve the gas tank breather system. Everything else is stock snorkelage, so that's pretty outstanding. I love how the plastics come off. This seat weighs like 80 pounds, that's annoying. So let's see how waterproof the cell phone storage is. You want to do the honors?
I do. Oh!
Oh!
What?
Oh!
That's upsetting.
And there's no drain on it.
How do you take it out? Wow.
Just splash it onto your face. Here, yeah, just get all of your tits. There you go.